puzzling, Menace? Well, better find a place to hide till this blows right over.
Oh, Jelly, you're such a stupid idiot.
You're a stupid idiot too, Jelly.
This just in! A patient from the mental hospital is at large and is believed to be in the local woodland area. Patient is described as having a long tail and a hilarious hat. Keep your doors and windows locked, and if you have any information regarding the whereabouts of the patient, please contact the authorities immediately.
Criminal on the loose.
Boy, what a sick world we live in.
Sit there hiding the door.
What? Don't worry about it. What are the chances that guy's gonna come around here anyway?
Didn't you hear the radio? It's in our area.
Will you relax? What's there to worry about anyway? Some jokester going around acting the Mickey?
Acting the what?
Come on, maybe some sleep will take your minds off it.
Ugh, boy, these guys just won't quit, will they?